Cut it off and start her up. This boat that came in, the distributor's worn out. I'll show that in a minute. Carburetor wasn't carbon, it was dripping, and so it's been built. And your little rheostat right there on the side activates the choke. Thermo, I can't even remember the name of it right now, but it melted because the wires were on backwards and it's on the back. So it seems to be running great right now. And the play on the shaft is enough that you can open and close the points just by moving the center shaft, so it's impossible to set it. And that's the part that melted. Carb kit that was used for that. Give it a little gas. And cut it off, start it up. Now it sounds like it's supposed to.